Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a gradient color for texts in Adobe Illustrator. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your document. Let me just remove that example text and start all over. Use the text box tool on the left hand side. Position your text box on your canvas. Type in your text. Let me just correct that typo here. And then right click into your text box. Choose Create Outlines or the shortcut Shift-Control-O or Shift-Command-O if you're using a Mac. You may also reposition your text if you like, resize it, and so on and so forth. So to apply the gradient color, left click into your text box. It has been converted into a path now. Click into that color box here, fill color, and here switch to gradient here. Choose the given type of the gradient, like radial or linear. And then you may also change the angle here. So let me rotate the angle to 90 or by 90 degree. And then it's time to apply colors. So let us apply three different colors. We got the first color, a second one. So in this case here, I would like to add a third one by moving that second color into the middle, let's say. And by adding a third one, you can do that by hovering your mouse over that stripe just below the given color slider. Left click, double click into the circle here. To apply a color, you may go to that color picker here and choose a color from that menu here. Or you may use a hex color code and do the same for the next color. Double click into it and apply another color like this, and do the same for color number 3. Double click into it and then repeat the same process. You may also adjust the opacity, and that's it guys. So if I use the select tool, you will see that even if I move the text, the gradient color will still be maintained. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.